ग्रेटर नोएडा के भारत एक्सपो सेंटर में बोमा कोनेक्सपो इंडिया 2024 का भव्य शुभारंभ हुआ। केंद्रीय मंत्री नितिन गडकरी ने इस आयोजन का उद्घाटन किया और मेले के विभिन्न स्टॉल्स का दौरा कर निर्माण उपकरणों और नई तकनीकों का जायजा लिया।
आपल्या नेतृत्वाखाली भारताचे महामार्गाचे अभूतपूर्व कार्य जलदगती या मार्गाचे विकास तसेच आर्थिक व राष्ट्रीय एकात्मतेच्या साधनेद्वारे जागतिक दर्जाचे पायाभूत विकास केले आहे। I am now presenting G100 a new product launching Supreme Black.
अपने संबोधन में उन्होंने भारत के बुनियादी ढांचे का विकास, टिकाऊ तकनीकों और वैकल्पिक ईंधनों के उपयोग को बढ़ावा देने पर जोर दिया। आइए अब सुनते हैं नितिन गडकरी ने इस अवसर पर क्या कहा।
Where you can give the option to the industry, to the contractor, that it is to be cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. I am really happy that all people are doing a lot of new experiments. The JCP CNG backhoe loader, world's first dual fuel machine, operate on mixture of CNG and diesel. I got approval to launch that, and now they have received a lot of orders from Russia and other countries also. I am really happy that today our government is giving lot of first important priority for the development of infrastructure in the country. The state government has also given priority for development of infrastructure in the country. Everywhere the huge investment is coming, and for that reason the construction equipments and their role is very, very important. The role of your industry with your innovative research, international successful practices, using cost-effective, pollution-free alternative fuel. This solution is not going to be helpful for our country, but this is going to give you more orders of exports in the whole world. I am really happy that the industry is seriously working on this line. Regarding the electric as a power, you are doing a lot of equipments, and even in India, lot of startups now they are developing the chemistry, not only lithium ion, but zinc ion, aluminum ion, sodium ion, and there are a lot of people are doing a lot of research. I am really happy that in due course of time you will get a lot of alternatives. So this is the appropriate time that with a appropriate successful research, by using your technology and upgrade your technology with the international standards, the sky is the limit. The future of this industry is very good. The infrastructure projects number is going to increase. You will get the good business, but at the same time, all these important things which already I have expressed to you, I am requesting you to consider all these most important things which can be helpful for all of you, and it is to be a win-win situation for all of us. I want to see the exhibition and also understand the new development and the technology. Once again, I am giving my best wishes to all of you, and next time I will come when your function will be here. Your manufacturing will be increased by at least 60% more, and day by day your target is to become number one construction equipment manufacturing industry in the world. So I am giving my all best wishes to all of you. Once again, thank you very much. Namaskar.
इस मेले में 1000 से अधिक प्रदर्शकों द्वारा आधुनिक मशीनरी और तकनीकों का प्रदर्शन किया जा रहा है। इसके अलावा कई प्रमुख कॉन्फ्रेंस और सेमिनार भी आयोजित किए जा रहे हैं, जहां उद्योग विशेषज्ञ और नीति निर्माता भारत के निर्माण और खनन उद्योग के भविष्य पर चर्चा करेंगे। रोहित प्रियदर्शन, ग्रेनो न्यूज।